Hi there, YouTube friends and families. Today is Friday afternoon, and as you can see, guys, we're off to the marina for another weekend boatcation. But this time it's a short weekend boatcation because we'll be going home tomorrow, which was Saturday. So this is the view when we arrived to the marina. It was windy. Scrappy is waiting. Why? Cry, cry? Cry, cry? You weren't up here? Huh? Settle down. Get settled. And after unloading our stuff, it's time for some snack. We had sour and onion chips and some sour and cream and onion dip.
We're snackers. Good morning, Papa.
And time flies. It's already Saturday morning. And this kind of weird, guys. We're getting this AirPlay passcode on our TV, so I don't know what it is. So if you know what it is, guys, please leave a comment below. We're off to A1 Deli and Market to get some Italian sandwich. A1 is our favorite sandwich to go here in San Pedro, California.
I told her. They go, oh, that's a good.
Let's take off. It's windy.
So after eating our lunch and nap and afternoon coffee, we invited our friends to go for a short cruise, and they enjoyed it. Especially if I have the other camera ready. It was so chill and relaxing when sailing. This is one of my favorite things to do here in California. And now we're docking the sailboat. Just flexing this dried squid fresh from Korea. Shout out to you, Peter. Thanks for letting us try this dried squid. Can't wait to try it. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Mahal daw ito.
원래 가져왔네.
Where'd you get these? Amazon? Where did I buy that? Is that where
A friend invited us to come for dinner, and we had so much fun. We enjoyed the dinner. Once again, thank you guys for preparing this meal, for sharing it with us. You guys are the best. And after the dinner, we went home and we got home by 10:30.